Hey guys! In today's video, we'll be looking at 5 best synthetic oil that will totally amaze you. Don't skip it, watch all the way to the end. So, let's get started. Number 5. Is your engine losing performance or not running as smooth as it used to? Cheap or low-quality motor oil can cause engine wear, overheating, and reduced fuel efficiency. If you want to protect your engine and keep it running like new, choosing the right oil is critical. Introducing the Royal Purple 51530 SAE 5W30 high-performance synthetic motor oil, built for superior engine protection and performance. This oil is API licensed, meaning it meets modern engine standards for reliability and safety. It uses advanced synthetic technology to reduce engine wear and extend engine life. You get improved fuel efficiency thanks to its low-friction formula. It provides excellent protection in both high and low temperatures, perfect for all-season use. Plus, it helps keep your engine cleaner by reducing sludge and deposits over time. And with a 5-quart bottle, it's ideal for most cars and regular oil changes. Pros: excellent engine protection. Improves fuel efficiency. Performs well in extreme temperatures. Keeps engine clean. Cons: higher price compared to standard oils. Maybe overkill for older or low-performance vehicles. This oil is perfect for drivers who want premium engine care, especially for modern cars, high-performance vehicles, or anyone who wants long-term reliability. If you drive frequently or in harsh conditions, this is a great choice. At around $144.99, it's definitely a premium option, but you're paying for top-tier protection, performance, and peace of mind. Number 4. Introducing the Shell Rotella T6 Full Synthetic Multi-Vehicle 5W30 Diesel Engine Oil, designed for powerful protection and long-lasting engine performance. This is a full synthetic diesel engine oil built for both cars and trucks. It features advanced triple protection plus technology that helps reduce engine wear and extend engine life. You get excellent protection against heat, deposits, and oil breakdown even under heavy loads. Its low-viscosity 5W30 formula improves fuel efficiency without sacrificing protection. It also performs great in extreme temperatures, ensuring smooth cold starts and stable performance in hot conditions. Plus, it helps control engine deposits and keeps critical engine parts clean over time. Pros: strong wear protection for diesel engines. Improves fuel efficiency. Excellent performance in extreme conditions. Keeps engine clean and reduces deposits. Cons: primarily designed for diesel engines, not ideal for all gasoline cars. Price may be higher than conventional oils. This oil is ideal for diesel vehicle owners, including trucks, pickups, and heavy-duty engines. Also great for drivers who tow, haul heavy loads, or drive in tough conditions. At around $864.99, it's a premium product, but it delivers high durability, protection, and long-term engine performance, making it a solid investment for diesel engines. Number 3. Introducing the Mobil 1 Extended Performance Full Synthetic Motor Oil 5W30, engineered for long-lasting protection and peak engine performance. This is a full synthetic motor oil designed to deliver extended engine life and durability. It's specially formulated to provide protection for up to 20,000 miles between oil changes, depending on driving conditions. The advanced formula helps reduce engine wear, even under extreme temperatures and heavy driving. It offers excellent thermal stability, meaning it resists breakdown and maintains performance longer. You also get improved fuel efficiency thanks to its low-friction design. Plus, it helps keep your engine clean by preventing sludge and harmful deposits. Pros: long-lasting performance with extended oil change intervals. Strong protection against engine wear. Great temperature stability. Helps improve fuel efficiency. Cons: higher price than regular synthetic oils. Extended interval may not suit all driving conditions. This oil is perfect for daily drivers who want fewer oil changes and long-term reliability. Great for modern cars, highway drivers, and anyone looking for premium engine protection with convenience. At around $142.09, it's a premium option, but considering its extended performance and fewer oil changes, it offers excellent long-term value and cost savings. Number 2. Introducing the Pennzoil Platinum 5W30 Full Synthetic Motor Oil, pack of 3, designed to keep your engine cleaner and running smoother. This full synthetic motor oil is made from natural gas using advanced Pure Plus technology, helping deliver a cleaner base oil. It provides excellent engine cleanliness by preventing sludge and harmful deposits. The 5W30 viscosity ensures smooth performance in both cold starts and high temperatures. It offers strong wear protection, helping extend engine life over time. This oil also improves fuel economy by reducing internal friction. Plus, it meets GF5 standards, making it compatible with modern gasoline engines. Pros: keeps engine exceptionally clean. Great value with 3-pack option. Good fuel efficiency improvement. Reliable protection for daily driving. Cons: not designed for extreme high-performance engines. Packaging may vary, can versus jug confusion. This oil is ideal for everyday drivers who want reliable performance at a great price. Perfect for regular commuting, family cars, and anyone looking for a balance of quality and affordability. At around $28.99, especially for a pack of 3, this is an excellent budget-friendly option offering strong performance, cleanliness, and overall value for money. Number 1. Introducing the Mobil 1 High Mileage Full Synthetic Motor Oil 5W30, specially formulated to protect older engines and extend vehicle life. This full synthetic oil is designed for vehicles with over 75,000 miles. It helps reduce leaks and oil consumption in aging engines. The 5W30 viscosity ensures smooth starts in cold weather and stable performance in heat. Its advanced additives protect against engine wear, sludge, and deposits. It also improves fuel efficiency and keeps your engine cleaner for longer. With a 5-quart bottle, it's ideal for regular oil changes on high-mileage cars. Pros: protects older engines and seals. Reduces leaks and oil consumption. Keeps engine clean and running smoothly. Improves fuel efficiency. Cons: higher price compared to regular synthetic oils. Mainly designed for high-mileage vehicles, not necessary for new cars. Perfect for drivers with older cars or high-mileage vehicles. Great for daily commuters, long-distance drivers, and anyone wanting to extend engine life. At $289.95, it's a premium option, but the long-term engine protection and reduced maintenance make it a worthwhile investment for aging vehicles. Check the link in the description to get yours today. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more car care tips.